Question number 1 says that a survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage. So this is the data that we have been given with. In here we have been listed with different causes like reproductive health conditions, neuropsychiatric conditions, injuries, cardiovascular conditions, respiratory conditions, and other causes. Along with this, we've been given with female fatality rate percentage associated with each of these causes. We have been then asked to represent the information given above graphically. Which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? And then we have to find out any two factors which play a major role in the cause in the second bit above being the major cause. We will start with the very first bit. So the above data can be represented graphically using a bar graph. So let's do that. So the bar graph that we have got now, we can see that we have represented the causes on the x-axis, maintaining equal widths for all the bars and with equal gaps in between. So one cause will be represented by 1 unit as shown here. And on the y-axis, we have represented the female fatality rate. And the scale is 1 unit will be equal to 5%. So now we'll go on to the second bit, and it can be visualized from the graph that the female fatality rate due to reproductive health conditions is more than double than that of fatality rate owing to injuries. So this is the major cause that we get. Reproductive health conditions can be considered as the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. Now the factors contributing to this can be lack of awareness, that is, there is not enough knowledge about the reproductive health conditions. It can be lack of emergency medical facilities. People do not have enough knowledge about the treatment. And if they have knowledge about the treatment, there is no affordability of treatment of cost. So these are the various factors that can be contributing to the reproductive health conditions prevailing amongst women.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.